Yes, hello dear student. Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear students, in the last class we completed our first chapter, that is the new doll. Yes, and in today's class we are going to learn a grammar section, okay, which is on page number 7. Page number 7. What is that? That is kinds of sentences. Kinds. How many kinds of sentences are there? How to find out that particular sentence is a particular kind. So today what we are going to learn? Kinds of sentences. Kinds of sentences. First, tell me, what is sentence? Yes, what is sentence? Yes, sentence is a group of words. Yes, sentence is a group of words that express a complete idea or thought. Yes, it is called as sentence. Sentence means what? It is a group of words which is express or which is explaining about the complete idea. Yes, I will write here definition. First we have to see what is sentence. Okay, what is sentence? First we have to see. So sentence means what I told? Yes, a group of words. Yes, which express a complete idea called as sentences. Got it? Group of words which express complete idea. Okay, complete idea. Here I will write one example. See here, Seema is clever girl, or you can say that Seema is a smart girl. I'll write here, Seema is a smart or beautiful. Seema is a beautiful girl. So this sentence, what it is expressing, what you are getting by reading this sentence? Yes, Seema is a beautiful girl. So there is a girl, that name of that girl is Seema, and she is beautiful. So you are getting complete idea, yes or no? Yes. So this is called as sentence. Yes. Now we have to find out which kind of this sentence is. Which kind of this? So there are total how many types of sentences here? See, 4 types of sentences. Declarative sentences, imperative sentences, then here interrogative sentences and exclamatory sentences. These 4 kinds of sentences we are going to learn in today's class. Here I will write. So this is the definition of sentences. What is sentence? It is a group of words which express a complete idea called as sentence. So here is an example of the sentence. Got it? Yes. Now we have to see kinds of sentences. How many kinds are there? Yes. So there are 4 kinds of sentences in our syllabus. We have to see. Which one? First one is, yes, declarative. Declarative sentences. Second one is, see here, I can write here interrogative. Interrogative sentences. Third one and fourth one. So you can say that imperative sentences, and here last one is, which what I told you, exclamatory. Okay, imperative. Imperative sentences, and fourth one is, yes, which one? Yes, tell me. Which one? Exclamatory. So here you just see in your syllabus, see here on page number 7 you have this grammar part. Got it? So here, see here, interrogative and here declarative. Yes. Now we have to see one by one. We have to see here one by one. Which one first we are going to see? Declarative. So declarative sentence means what? We have to see here. With example we can see. So declarative sentences are sentences. Yes, these are statements. Okay, it convey the message. Yes, it convey the message. So before that we have seen one example. Yes, Seema is a beautiful girl. Yes or no? So declarative sentence, what it does or what it can do? Yes, it express the statement. Okay, straight statement. So it is a statement. Got it? And here example of the declarative sentences. Before that, which one we taken? Yes, Seema is a beautiful girl. Now Rahul is a slim boy. Okay, so Rahul is a slim boy. So it is straight statement. Okay, it is a straight statement. You can understand that by reading this sentence that Rahul is a slim boy. So this is called as declarative sentences. So what we have to write here? See, it helps to it is straight statement. It helps to convey the message or idea. So I will write here definition. So declarative sentences, it makes a sentence statement. Okay, makes statement to convey idea. To convey idea or information. Convey idea or information. So this is example of the declarative sentences. And keep in the mind, it ends with the full stop. Yes, we can call it pre-read also. So it ends with the full stop. So it is called as declarative sentences. Next, the second one is, yes, which one here? Yes, so we are going to see about interrogative. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences. So interrogative sentences are those sentences, yes, which are used to ask a question. Okay, which is used to ask a question and it ends with the question mark. Yes, keep in the mind. Here, declarative sentence, it ends with the full stop. Yes, and this interrogative sentence ends with the question mark. So, interrogative sentences are used to ask a question. And even, see here, which words are comes? See, mainly W, phi, H. W, phi, H means what now? See here, I will explain you. Who, what, where, why and when. These four and how. Yes, see W, 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 W and H. So W, phi, H. Okay. When these words comes into the sentence, we can call it is interrogative sentence. Got it? It is interrogative sentence. So interrogative sentence, why we are using? To ask a question. Yes, to ask a question and it ends with the question mark. Now tell me one example. Yes, a simple example we can write here. So What is your name? What is your name? Question mark. So, see here, W, it starts with this word. Yes, what? And ends with the question mark. So, it is called as interrogative sentences. Clear? Yes. Now, come to the next. That is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means what? Yes. Third one is imperative sentences. What is mean by imperative sentences? Yes, here imperative sentences are showing the command and request. These are using to give the command or for the request. So, I'll write here command and request. If you find out the command in a sentence and if you find out the request, okay, while reading any sentence, so if you are feeling that this is a command or this is a request, so it is called as imperative sentence. Clear? Yes. Now we have to see the example. So tell me. Yes. Now command. Command means what we can say? Just sit down. Sit down. Okay. And here imperative statements, it's also complete with end with the full stop. Yes. Sit down. Then again you can say request. So please give me your pen. Please give me your pen. So here see, please what it is? Request. And here sit down, what it is? Yes, you can say that order or command it is. Yes or no? So when you are getting these kinds of sentences, it is called as imperative sentences. Got it? Yes. Now come to the fourth one. That is exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences means what? Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me. Exclamatory sentences means, yes, these sentences are express strong emotions. These sentences are express strong emotions. Yes, you can say that strong emotion, and even you can say that strong feeling. Yes, emotions or feelings. These sentences express strong emotion or feeling. So these sentences usually ends with the exclamation mark. This is very important. This ends with the exclamation mark. So you can say that this is exclamatory sentence. Okay. So now let's see one example. So we can say that how beautiful this is. You can say how beautiful this is. So here question mark also. So here see. Again one example. Here see in your textbook what they given. Yes. What a happy moment. What a happy moment. So while reading these sentences you can get the strong feelings or emotions. What a happy moment means this is very happy moment. Yes. So this is called as exclamatory sentence. Got it? It ends with the exclamation mark. This is very important. So here in your textbook on page number 7, you have 6 sentences. Yes, identify what kind of sentence these are. Yes, so these you have to read it and you have to solve it as a homework. Okay, so hope you all understood. So today what we learn, just recall it. Yes, what is sentence? So sentence is a group of words, yes, which express ideas or which express the complete ideas is called as sentence. Got it? Now there are 4 kinds of sentences. Which one? First one is declarative sentences, then imperative sentences, then interrogative sentences, and fourth one is exclamatory sentences. Got it? So declarative sentences, this is what they are doing. It is conveying the simple or simply message. Okay? It conveying a complete thought idea like simple feelings. And second one is interrogative. These interrogative sentences are used to ask a question. Yes, ask a question we are using. Then next one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences, it's showing what it's showing. Imperative sentences, yes, imperative sentences are used to give a command or request. Yes, clear. Now the last one is exclamatory sentence. These sentences are express strong emotions and feelings, are called as, and ends with the exclamation mark. Oh, yes, clear till here. So this is your grammar part, today's grammar part, kinds of sentences we completed. Yes, hope you all understood. So whatever homework I given on page number 7, you have to write down it. So here, homework. So this is your homework. I'll write here. So your today's homework is identify what kinds of sentence these are. This is your homework. So there are 6 sentences. Yes, you have to solve it. You have to write down it, you have to solve it, and you have to send it to me. Okay, so complete your homework, watch this video thoroughly and complete your homework, and keep smiling. Take care. Bye bye.